Alright, good morning, shadows. As you can see, it's a little overcast today, so there's might be some rain. It's sprinkling a little bit right now. That's okay. I only have 2 more days here in Bucharest, so I really can't, they're doing construction here, so I only have 2 more days, so I really can't like just chill for a day. Otherwise tomorrow would be crazy hectic. So today we are going to head up Victory Boulevard to the Athenium and just kind of see what's going on. And then tomorrow it'll be my traditional walk to the train stop to see how long it takes, and then some parks and stuff. Tomorrow it is supposed to be sunny, so but first I want to check out the National Theater. There's some really cool like sculptures, and there's another landmark there I want to check out. So without further ado, let's get our rainy day started. That is a hospital, ladies and gentlemen. That is they have some fancy damn hospitals in Romania. Yeah, pretty darn cool. Alright guys, so I wanted to come over to the National Theater just to kind of show you around a little bit. This was actually built, if I remember what my tour guide said, by Ceausescu. So, which is kind of weird because it's not really like a communist style. So this is the theater. But what I'm really coming over here for is I kind of spied some really cool sculpture work from across the street. So I thought I'd check it out. And also there is a landmark for Kilometer Zero. Even though the one I talked about the other day is Kilometer Zero, Kilometro or Kilo, I don't know, I'm gonna say kilometer. But this one is a different one because it has to do with peace and the revolution and everything. But this is what I really wanted to see. Alright guys, so that landmark was the Kilometer Zero for peace and liberty. And if you notice, there's like a little hole in the center. That's not by mistake. The old Romanian flag actually had symbols of communism, and they just cut it out as a symbol stating that they were now no longer communist. So let's head to Victory Boulevard. Alright guys, so it looks like it wasn't as far of a walk as I thought it was going to be, so that's pretty cool. And I think I'm just going to tool around this area for a little bit. There's some cool statues, some cool buildings, just kind of see what's going on. And then somewhere, I would imagine, is what I'm looking for. Alright guys, check it out. Alright guys, so cool thing And I think I've talked about this before. In a lot of these European cities, they're what they call green cities. And so what it means is there's a lot of like parks and really cool places just to kind of chill. I think this is the Athenium. I'm gonna go over and check it out. But first I think I'm putting my jacket on. It's a little chilly out here today. Yeah, a lot chillier than I thought it was gonna be. I think it's probably smart just so I don't get a cold. Let me chill, get my jacket on, we'll see what's going on. So it's pretty spectacular. I know people say you can go in, but I don't think you can. And I don't really feel like getting in trouble from the cops in a foreign country. So we're not gonna try. But it is beautiful to look at on the outside. I imagine on the inside it is stunning. I would sit down, but the benches are kind of wet. So I'm trying to figure out how to get a good shot of this one, guys. Like I want a really great shot. Yeah, let's continue on with our walk. Okay, so the Balkans had this thing where, and it wasn't only here, it also happened in Bulgaria too, where they imported their king once they got their freedom and they decided they wanted a monarchy. And most of them wound up going to Germany. So the Carol I was actually Battenberg, which is a German royal family. And he brought with him a bunch of Germans. So there is a large German influence and a large German community. Not as much as there used to be. After World War II, they kind of left. But honestly, like, Carol did a lot of good things for Romania, so they gave him this. Check it out. How'd you like that call? Hey Carol, we have this new country we're looking at, you know, we've just formed and we really, really need a king. How about you hop on over and become the Romanian king? I mean, like that call had to have been crazy, right? Like the letters back and forth, the decision. So we're gonna check out the rest of, I think this is called Revolutionary Square. That is actually how they used to pave their roads. Once again, I think I talked about this the other day. They had so much wood that instead of using stone, they paved with wood, which, I mean, I don't know how smart that was, but it seems to have lasted, so I guess, you know, you never know. This monument here, I'm not too familiar with exactly everything, so I'll put some stuff in the description below, but it is a monument to the freedom, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's kind of abstract. Not sure what it's supposed to mean. Like I said, I'll put some stuff down below when I research and figure that out. But let me take some grams, you know, do some pics. All right.